Why NAP is so crucial for every local business? To just talk about this topic, then you can easily understand why it's necessary for every local business means Google Business Profile. And it's any ranking impact for our ranking Google Business Profile means when people are searching about our business related keyword in Google search bar, then Google show the cost result map back, and it's any help to our ranking our Google Business Profile in appear in search at a first, fifth or sixth positions, and everything's properly described, then you can understand why NAP is so matter in Google Business Profile. Okay, then let's get started. Actually, I'm already searching plumber in Galveston, Texas. Actually, I'll properly show, then you can easily understand what's the main problem and why it's so important. And I'm divide two parts. First part is I'm already select one all optimized, therefore NAP consistent, everything's there good. And first part show the one of the oil optimized, and second is the not oil optimized. They are not enough authority, plus not enough reviews. Their Google Business Profile not all of reviews, plus they are not follow NAP consistency. Okay, first time show the low quality GBP means their website Google Business Profile is not oil optimized. Okay, this Google Business Profile name is Unspare Plumbing LLC, and there first when we are see this, then look at this, just their Google Business Profile not of oil optimized. The proof is, look at this, just their page position means their position page 3 position 60. Okay, and look at this, their this is their business name, and this is their review. But today just I talk about NAP, why NAP is so crucial. Firstly, look at their area, which area they are basically serve. And when I click these all areas, basically they are serve, they are providing plumbing service, and this is their phone number, and why and how we compare plus find where is the issue, and their pollen of consistency on. And look at this, just I'm scroll down and look at this, there any social media like Facebook. I'm click here and look at this, it is happen Facebook, and just watch this is their business name Huntspear Plumbing LLC. Even they are same use business name in their Google Business Code. And right now I am check their address. Okay, they are just PO Box 130 cents away, Texas 77510. But in their Google Business will not add their area, means this good, they are providing their service in these all areas, but they are not exactly sure where they are located their business. Then why any people or their means specific customer search, then how they are find their business in nearby. That's why we are find one issues, they are not at area, means they are where they are located. And at the end is phone number. Just look at this phone number at the end 224, and I'm going to the Facebook, and look at this, their phone number 807 in their social media means Facebook. That means they are not follow NAP consistency, that's why they are not ranked. And to just talk about this topic, and even they are look at their Google Business are not all optimized, plus they are not follow NAP consistency. Then what we are find issues, first is they are not add their service, plus they are not follow NAP consistency means phone number are not same social media, plus their Google Business Profile saying it is not add their means address in their Google Business Profile. Okay, and right now I'm go to the all optimized plus follow NAP consistency GBP, and right now I'm show the example, then you can easily compare what is the main issues. Okay, when I search in plumber in Galveston, Texas, then Google show the result, and firstly show in the first result I'm click this Kona Plumbing. Okay, this is the first GBP means Google Business Profile, and look at this, their business profile business name is Kona Plumbing. And then scroll down and look at this, their Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Okay, I'm go to their Instagram. Yeah. Okay, this is their business name Kona Plumbing, and look at their business name Kona Plumbing, just both the same business name. And look at their address, their address is 40202 ABS Galveston, Texas 77550. I'm going to go again Instagram, and look at this 4202 ABS Galveston, Texas. That means their same use address in their social media plus their Google business profile. And I'm right now check their phone number. Their phone number at the end 966. Look at this, their phone number at the end 966. When they are use website in their their social media, and I'm go to the right now their website. Okay, and look at this, even their website there follow same phone number plus if I check maybe their use address, yeah, their same address in their go website. That means I hope you can understand why NAP is so important for every local business. Just I show some things, then you can easily understand why NAP is crucial. Just I'm show one example. Actually, when your same address, phone number plus business name means NAP, you are use your Google business profile every social media or your personal or service website or multiples plus your citations directories, then Google trust your business and Google understand this business authentic and this business real, they are providing real service. Then Google trust, and when people are searching in nearby, then Google will show your business in appear in Google in first result. This is the main reason NAP is so important, because is everything's depend on, we are no local website basically mainly depend on locations. That's why location is so matter in Google business profile. And I was actually show the non optimized means not follow NAP consistent, they are not use for same phone number. When any customer call this GBP owner, then their call are not received so BV, that means they are not following NAP consistency. And that's why we are always need to follow NAP consistency, because NAP consistency is so important for every local business. I hope you're gonna understand. And I'm sure the last example, I hope everyone is know local SEO have 3 parts: prominence, proximity, relevance. And proximity is so important. Means proximity means how your business, how close your business when people are searching. Means I'm living in Galveston, that is a good, and any like my business located in Galveston, and any user are nearby searching based on keyword like plumbing in near me, because near me is the best keyword because most of the people are searching. That's why this is the good keyword, and it's possible to Google rank my business in appear in Google search result. This so location is so important. And the second is it's called proximity, and third is prominence. Prominence means one person selects citations. Citations so important, because when you want to rank your business means Google business one, you need to create citations. Citations means everywhere you need to add your every social media, every citations you need to add same address, same phone number, same business name. Then Google trust, everywhere trust. Even ChatGPT show your business in Google means Google business profile in AI search engine. I hope you're gonna understand why NAP is so crucial for every local business in Google business profile. Thank you so much for this video. I hope you can understand and what is the main problem. Thank you so much for this video.